call from BIP. I reported back to Defense Secretary. I handed those groups to him to scrutinize if there's any of them in the government. After checking, there was none of them in the government. So, but having said this, that guy will be, that thing was screaming. They will know it's the pure truth. This woman is more than her dangerousness. We don't know how devil look like. No matter they said it's a black person but this woman is more than devil.
Devil is in shock.
Including Remy Jews. If you see those two people that is doing spiritual, you show that they are not spiritual nothing. They have spirit of Obanje. spirit of Mami Water. I'm telling you the truth because the spirit they are claiming they have that is talking to them cannot be talking to them with almost 20 mouths. So my brother, that's what I want to tell you because if you know people who have spirit, when they speak, my brother,
you know,
the good spirit does not lie, does not have double mouth. You talk here tomorrow. So that's what I want to say. So I'm so sorry for that typing I did. It was like
no.
I was trying to that period you are on that topic. I started to say these guys they lie a lot so much.
I'm not doing careful because I'm a boy. So some of them.
It's true.
I can't call you. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, my friend. God bless.
Thank you, sir. So let me quickly reply to Wabozokumba. You guys are mistaking what this our brother said. Okay, that the person that said that I call you with it, right? I think that's what people are calling him on commercial here. He's not saying that P2B will take Biafran leadership or everybody have the right to say what they want to say, but let me just make this clear. It's not that Biafran, what he's trying to say is that Biafrans are not lacking, capable hands to lead when Biafra comes. But not that Biafra are going to beg people to come and join and all that. And this, I can see that this incense that they are in if any lose people doesn't make any sense to me because people have said that Biafra is dead long time ago. That statement, no apology, nothing whatsoever. So I'm not in support of anybody trying to even talk to him about Biafra or anything at all. I don't see how possible that is. Even if you want to join or talk about Biafra now, from distance, something like that. Okay, and many of them that are serving Nigerian government, this is my own opinion. Okay, I'm not saying that this is what Biafra are going to do. This is my own opinion. I don't think it is necessary to hope that former governor in Nigeria, like Soludona, Pretamba of Enugu State, the one of Ebonyi, the one in River State, the one in Delta, I'm not in support of any of them coming close to any leadership in Biafra land because we have many vibrant people that can do mighty things. So those ones have tested corruption. And they said they fool at 40s, they fool forever. So they are all above 40s and they have been in the corrupt system. For you to bring them down and expect them to do magic or it's not possible. I don't buy that idea. Most of them have taken, they know what they have been receiving wardrobe allowance, clothes allowance, newspaper allowance, shoe allowance, gari allowance, akama allowance, bread allowance. So is that what you want to also bring into the system? So let us not talk about them. Even if you love them so much, okay, it's okay. I'm not saying you should hate them or wage war against them, but don't expect them to become that they are, like what you say. You say, according to you, you say that he's one of the best. Mr. B is one of Africa's most powerful leader currently. How? He's not leading anything. Is he a governor? Is he a senator? Is he because he's moving from office to office and all this? I'm not here to criticize him. He's our brother, but don't hype him as if he's the Burkina Faso president. So if he's what are you going to call Burkina Faso? Can't you see what the man is doing in Burkina Faso? Hello.
Hello, my brother Kai. Good evening.
Okay. You're welcome. The floor is yours.